Hey, what's up, you guys? Today is Saturday, June 10th. No, June 11th, sorry. 2002. We are here in the state park, Anderson Lake, hiking with a GM1. LS2 is over there in the back. Trying to catch my breath. Anyways, here's some good tall trees up here. You can see them. There's a lake there, but it's kind of toxic right now, so we're just kind of just walking down, checking these ferns and stuff going on. GM1's over there in the back, but I posted some videos so you guys can check this out and see how it goes. It just rained earlier this morning, so it's a little muddy, as you can see. The walking was filthy right there, but you know, I'm wearing my good shoes that I don't really care about getting dirt, but having a good time here. We're having a good time. She's over there in front. My tears right there in the back. So yeah, definitely post some. Okay, car. So we're having dinner right now at Nico's Italian Spirits. Let's see how it goes.
See how bruised?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Can you move it?
Yeah.
From earlier?
Not my pinky toe.
Okay, so that might be. If you can't move it.
Yeah.
Looks like it's packed. This is the Scampi.
You work out 2 times a week. Whoa, wow, that's disrespectful. To me, I'm somewhat of a gym rat. Now finishing? That's you, but... Yeah? Well, there's... It's you really want something?
That's what I'm saying. You want to hit it. You want to hit it, and everybody's knowing what you're doing. Not literally hit it.
Sounds like a little bit of projection.
Wait, who's Victoria?
We're heading to Anchor right now.
What? Tell me more.
Port Townsend.
Like, does she have a job? Like, it's a whole innocent show, right? Song. It's called Victorious. And her
Victorious. Okay.
Here's the reason. Because she actually
Oh,
Can he tell you that?
It's here. It's here. be awesome, and I'll catch you guys later.
Weekend packing to me is not that bad.
Today is our last day here together, all three of us.
No, it's not, man.
Well,
Hello.
I wouldn't say last day for all of us, but just all three of us together at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's a fun IDT. We didn't really do much, but
Yeah, he took a lot of naps.
yes.
Drink and get.
And
Here, have a good
stayed-
time.
Yeah, he danced.
These are things they're gonna remember forever. But I'll post this up. You guys can check it out. You guys have anything to say? What was your best moments of our
Last
times?
time.
Well, you're gonna come back.
I served your country
Yes.
today by
Shoveling.
scooping up moss
Yes.
and
Cleaned up the sand.
watching crabs play.
And we nursed a bird.
Oh yeah, and
birds,
you guys caught a bird.
moss.
Yes, right.
Cruise road.
This is how we are protecting your country.
Yes, exactly. But other than that,
Oh, I also am using tax dollars to have a BMW rental car.
Very true.
yeah. See, look at it. She's. I don't know if you can see it, but our car is sunroof top with. It's pretty cool. Leather seats.
Best car I've ever driven. That's for sure.
I'm gonna try to drive on it before she returns it tomorrow, but maybe like around the block or something. So,
Can I
Yeah.
take your car for a spin?
Okay.
but other than that, that's good. Okay. Anyways, we'll video again when we go back for dinner, and we'll talk then. Tommy Knockers. That's where we ate. I know I forgot to video it, but you know what it is.
Don't forget to stop at the store.
Yeah, let's go.
QFC or Safeway. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go.
Probably just QFC. It's easier. Right there in town.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I travel, I take everyone.
I took some elderberry.
Is that for older like bones or something?
No, elderberry has immunity support in it,
Okay. But
supposedly.
okay. So we just ate. Jackie said she doesn't like the Tommy Knockers.
No,
Just
I
very
do.
disappointed.
I do like them. I just feel like, oh hey, I feel like they need to put more like sauce or something in the pasty, so
little
it's
dry.
not so dry. It's very dry.
What do you think, Matia? This is your second time, so
Old pork was delicioso.
Well, yeah, he had a great melt.
mine was okay. The first time it was okay. It kind of fell apart. On second time, the pastries, I don't know, it's not that great as at least for my tasting.
I had pasties the first time it was dry.
Yeah.
Pasties.
Yes. But but I think my opinion is I think the reason why people like it because they don't have anything to compare it with.
Yeah,
You know?
the food here actually is not really that good at any of
Yes.
the places we go to.
So I think that's why people say it's number one.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get to the store before our last trip.
Right, so that was fun.
Okay, this is our last time. We don't know, but
Next time you see me, I will be skinnier. My face is not going to look as fat.
okay. Peace out and
All right, guys. Last time.
peace out. Last time.
You never know. It might not be your last time.
Maybe not.
Might
but
not be Menteur's last
We'll
time.
see.
Okay,
We'll see.
bye.
See you guys.